first time I played with Arty, he was working in Nashville on a Maura O'Connell record. He had very few words, Arty. As Maura said, Arty finds his speaking voice about 2 a.m. And we got to the 2 a.m. mark and we had a nice chat. He told me his life story.
My father played the accordion, so I played his accordion when I was about 5. But I started getting bored with it then. And my mother bought me a guitar when I was 11. I was 16 in 1960, so I started playing show bands.
If I see you tomorrow on some street in town.
It's a great thing when you're in a show band first, but after a while you play the same program like week in, week out. I get bored very easily. I'm starting to get bored now, actually. I had met Paul Brady in the early 60s in Dublin, and he was doing things on the acoustic guitar that I hadn't thought about doing. Although I played lots of rock and roll and blues and stuff, and I liked jazz music in those days, I had never stopped listening to Irish music. So I got myself an acoustic guitar. I started playing tunes that I used to play on the accordion. To kill the boredom in hotel rooms and the show band bus, I used to play the acoustic guitar to pass the time. I was a very boring person, really, in those days. I used to bore people to death with my guitar playing.
Arty's overview of all music is wide. Jazz, show band, rock and roll. He somehow finds the intersection of all that where the good music is.
He suggests the chords without spelling the chord out. I think that is the secret of accompanying Irish music. Because once you spell the chord out, you take away the magic for the listener, the mystery from the tune. And it's hard to do that on guitar without exposing the chord for all to hear. To be totally honest, I prefer listening to Irish music without any accompaniment. But that has its place too, I suppose. God bless everyone for liking the guitar.
Gradam Ceoil, Arty McGlynn.